This one doesn't feel fast, or loud, or transactional. It feels reassuring. Airbnb isn't built to sell you a place, it's built to sell you a feeling, belonging, safety, familiarity, somewhere you've never been. Every pixel quietly asking one question: would you feel okay sleeping here? Rebuilding something like that, the softness, the warmth, the emotional permission, should require human judgment. But with one prompt, AI claims it can recreate the experience. So today, we're not asking if it looks real. We're asking how trust gets designed. Welcome back to MetaBuild AI. On this channel, we don't rebuild platforms to copy them. We rebuild them to see what they optimize for. Identity platforms shape who you become. Control platforms shape how you behave. And trust platforms? They shape what you're willing to risk. Airbnb isn't about travel. It's about feeling safe in someone else's space. Same rules as always. We're rebuilding Airbnb. Not hosts, not guests, not bookings. Just the interface. Search bars, listing cards, maps, reviews. No calendars, no payments, no identity verification. Just one prompt and whatever the AI believes Airbnb is. Airbnb isn't a marketplace. It's a promise. So instead of listing features, I describe comfort, white space, natural imagery, human faces, calm pacing. Watch this. Yeah, that's it. Big photos, gentle fonts, nothing shouting. This isn't about urgency, it's about permission. Every screen asks, "You'll be okay here." Let's slow this down, because Airbnb's power isn't price, it's emotional buffering. First, visual trust. Real photos, real homes, imperfect spaces. It doesn't feel staged. Second, social proof. Reviews aren't highlighted, they're everywhere. Quiet reassurance. Third, identity softening. Hosts feel human, guests feel welcome. Airbnb doesn't push you, it lowers your guard. At this point, the UI isn't selling a room, it's selling a memory that hasn't happened yet. And that changes how you commit. Watch how little interaction creates comfort. Hover a listing, tap a photo, scroll gently. Nothing surprising happens. And that's the point. Trust platforms don't need speed, they need calm. Every interaction says, "You're not being rushed." Here's the real lesson. Airbnb isn't about lodging, it's about permission. To enter, to stay, to belong. Interfaces don't just guide action, they regulate emotion. When trust becomes default, skepticism feels unnecessary. AI didn't invent this, it surfaced it, instantly. If you can see trust, you can design responsibly. That completes the pattern. Identity shapes self, control shapes behavior, money shapes survival, and trust? Trust shapes where we're willing to land. If this changed how you see products, you can support the channel at $MetaBuildAI. Next, we take everything we've learned and start designing with intention. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. You can follow MetaBuild AI on all social media platforms and visit metabuildai.gumroad.com to find today's UI build kit, along with other products used to create this content. If you want to support the channel directly, you can also send support via Cash App, $MetaBuildAI. I'll see you in the next build.